apart your every word. Push it down like I'm unconcerned. I've been damaged and it shows. Wonder, can you tell? Wait until you finally call my bluff.
No, 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 no.
I've been waiting, don't wanna be me anymore. Wait until you finally come to bluff. Counting down the days till you realize I'll never be enough.
Kamusta mga sadik? Welcome back sa ating channel. At for today's video, another vlog, another reaction, another kaltartano naman, another kalokohan na naman. This is Korean, all the way from Indonesia. Ano pang hinihintay natin? Simulan na natin to. Marami namang mabibigo sa kanya. Check this out mga idol. Come on man. Basta gwapo talaga. Walang magagawa. Check this out. Ito naman yan, oh. Ang kilig. Matindi ang kilig. Come on. Ooh. Nice, man. Until now, he's a gentleman. Dami lang naloko. Ooh. She's a very sexy girl. Oh, come on. Nax. Woo. Indonesian girl. It's a very sexy girl. Check this out. Look at this. Look at this. Ooh. Sabay, it's a prank. Come on. Oh, ang bilis nun ha. Take a look at. Although it's scripted, alam naman natin. Tignan mo naman. Pero at least makantuhanan na parang in love na in love yung siguro, di ba? Just like this. Take a look. Come on. That's good. The Indonesian girl is a very pretty girl. Take a look. Ooh. Ooh. Come on, man. Look at the reaction. The face. Their face. Take a look. They're in love. For a reason. Come on, man. Ooh. Marami nanonood sa likod, oh. A lot of people looking his vlog. Oh, this one. This is a pretty girl. Just like this. Come on, man. Ang bilis mo. Ang bilis ng kamay mo. Hindi pwede sa Pinas yan. Pag dito yan, sampal lang abutin mo. Kahit guwapo ka pa. Diba? It's a prank. Sexy pa naman, no? Ayan, ito yung asawa niya. This is the girl he loved. His wife. Tako, patay. Parang mga tiragang gano'n eh, no? The guy at the back, take a look at the guy at the back. He's smiling. And the two girls also very smiling. Take a look at this handsome guy. Miss Korean. Yung mga titik niya, the way he looks. Come on, man. Oh, bilis na kami, ha? Talaga na. Pag ngumiti, walang mata. Oh, nakadali pa yon. Come on. Woo! Nice, man. Mga diskarte, mga titig, you know? Talagang woo! Sana all. I'm just hoping that I love it that handsome that he is. It's a frown. Parang plastic, you know? Plastic rose. Bakit hindi na mabulok yan? Grabe yung script na yan. Yung halatang pinakuha, eh, no? Sabay tinitigan. Ang nangyari? Walang nangyari. Tuda sa bayang Pilipinas. Tuda sa bayang Pilipinas mong iha. Nax! Yan ang maganda ron. Yung ganon. Diba? Sabay takas. So hanggang dito na lang ating reaksyon. Marami na naman na prank. Marami na naman pinaasa sa series Korean. At maraming umasa. Diba? Ang kagandahan doon, love niya lahat. Hanggang dito na lang. All the way from the Philippines, Bapihang TV. From Indonesia, Series Korean. Episode 75 na tayo. Next episode natin, Mabuhay Philippines.
All we'll ever trust, yeah.